Timios Stavros Monastery in Omodos. There you will discover holy relics of Apostle Philip. Philip's major shrine today is in the Basilica Santi Apostoli in Rome, along with most of his relics. Remarkably, his skull and some finger bones are in the monastery of Timios Stavros in Omodos, Cyprus. It is said that Helen of Constantinople founded the monastery and donated the relics. Philip the Apostle was one of the 12 apostles of Jesus according to the New Testament. Later Christian traditions describe Philip as the apostle who preached in Greece, Syria, and Asia Minor. In the Roman Rite, the feast day of Philip, along with that of James the Less, is traditionally observed on 1st of May, the anniversary of the dedication of the church dedicated to them in Rome, now called the Church of the 12 Apostles. In the short-lived calendar reform of 1960, it was transferred to 11th May, but since 1969 it has been assigned to 3rd of May. The Eastern Orthodox Church celebrates Philip's feast day on 14th of November. All three synoptic Gospels and the book of Acts list Philip as one of the apostles. He's always listed on the 5th place. It was Philip who first introduced Nathanael, sometimes identified with Bartholomew, to Jesus. Jesus tests Philip when he asks him how to feed the 5,000 people. Later, he appears as a link to the Greek community. Philip, born a Greek name, could likely speak Greek and may have been known to the Greek pilgrims in Jerusalem. He advises Andrew that certain Greeks wish to meet Jesus, and together they inform Jesus of this. John 12:21. During the Last Supper, when Philip asked Jesus to show them the Father, he provides Jesus the opportunity to teach his disciples about the unity of the Father and the Son.
The Holy Relics of Apostle Philip is the last stop on the Tombs Heritage Trail. If you haven't yet, make sure to visit the Mola Culture Factory in Pano, Lefkara, the Lefkara Abandoned Islamic Cemetery, St. Lazarus Tomb in Larnaca, Hala Sultan Teke Mosque and the tomb of Haram in Larnaca, and St. Reginos' tomb in Fasula. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.